Why did you do that? Look at the big mess you made. Oh, I do. But why did you make a big mess like that? Ariel? Look at that. Where are you going? Come. Come see Mommy. Come see Mommy. You want to give it to Mommy? Come. Come. Walk to Mommy. Yeah, all right. You come to Mommy? Come. Thank you.
You know, it wasn't. It was an expert. Yeah. Boy, he would have been nice. Yeah, it would have been. But who knew at the time? Yeah, exactly. Oh. Boy, we've seen a lot of strange.
Oh my. Hey, why are you making a big mess for? Good girl. Come, Ariel. Come. 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 Come walk to Mommy. Come. No.
Very nice.
This is interesting.
Come.
Well, yeah, it's kind of like you backed into a shredder.
What are you doing? Well, yeah. Hi.
Now can stop pain from any angle. No miss.
New Icy Hot Spray. Relief this icy to no pain, hot to relax it away. And no
Ariel.
Icy Hot Spray.
Don't mess around with pain.
Okay, thank you. Give it to Mommy.
Taking too many drugs
Can Mommy have it?
will absolutely save your life. To get it, call 888.
Oh, did you hit your head? Did you hit your head? Thank you. Thank you, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Big kiss, you want to come up? Okay. You want to come up or do you want the tape back? You want the tape back? Okay, there you go. Oh, thank you. Where's the doggy?
WPTZ and me.
There's the doggy. Doggy. Okay, thank you, Mamo. You want to come sit on the couch? You want to go clean up your mess? Huh? You want to go clean up your mess? Hi. What do you want? Oh, you want to go sit with Mommy? Okay. Come sit with Mommy. Come. Sit down. What do you want to do? Ariel. Sit down.
It's hard to fit fun into a small space.
Are you going to say hi to Nana? Say hi. Hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Say Nana. Nana. No. You say Nana? Nana. Yay, Nana. Good girl. Good. You say Nana? Nana? Oh, what's wrong? Oh, is your foot stuck? I'm sorry, mon amour. Oh, yeah. I say Nana? Nana. Oh, yes. Nana, Nana. I say Nana? Nana. Nana. Is she in there? Is her face in there? In the camera? Nana? Nana? You say Gampy? Ariel, can you say Gampy? 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 No, you're stuck on Nana now, eh? Say bye-bye. 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 No, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You going up to no trouble there, you, eh? I see you. What are you doing? Okay, bye-bye.